Provoked. Getting an appointment for the COVID-19 vaccine has not been easy, especially for senior citizens. Our Amy Enzi has more on what the city is doing to change that, including the possibility of going door to door to help them register.
To your left.
Mary Castro is getting a crash course on how to use a computer and the internet.
Put your finger on that.
The 78-year-old says she's having trouble using the city's web portal to make COVID-19 vaccine appointments. It can be a challenge for anyone, but it is especially daunting for New Yorkers like Castro, who never go online.
I don't use computers or anything else like that.
Castro says when she tried to make the appointment on the phone, none were available. That's why she was glad when the senior center on East Tremont Avenue reached out and helped her get an appointment for the vaccine. The group Bronx Works operates several senior centers and offers support to New Yorkers ages 60 and up, the demographic that is more vulnerable to the coronavirus.
It's like the Wild Wild West, honestly. It's like kind of fending for their own. If they don't know how to do it and they don't have someone to help them, it's really been difficult.
Bronx Works reached out to its nearly 1,000 seniors to help them navigate the COVID vaccine process. Agency directors say they don't think that these seniors would have been able to do it on their own.
It's the result of the city's Department for the Aging enlisting senior centers, houses of worship, and other community-based organizations to help in outreach and education efforts. The city has received criticism for the lack of available appointments and the online registration process. The Department for the Aging Commissioner Lorraine Cortez Vasquez says she's exploring every possibility, including sending more people door to door in the communities hardest hit by the coronavirus.
This pandemic was not an equal opportunity invader. I mean, it invaded all of us, but it invaded certain communities at a much higher proportion with much higher consequences.
She says supply has been one of the biggest challenges. The city just doesn't have enough doses of the vaccine for all those showing up to its sites.
You know, there was no playbook for the pandemic. There has been no playbook for vaccinating, 8.9 million people.
She's encouraged that the Johnson & Johnson vaccine could soon be added to the arsenal and is encouraging all seniors who need an appointment to call the hotline at 877-829-4692. In the Bronx, Amy Enzi, New York 1.